Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and today is called Ketchup Day. Not ketchup like you put on your French fries, although I don't put ketchup on my French fries. Anyway, today is called Ketchup Day because we are releasing some items that are possible, it's possible that you've seen them before. For example, I could have taken them on HSN, or we released them in a kit club or something like that. Anyway, how many of you got this set of pencils when we released them from Crafter's Companion, the Aqua Blend pencils? Whoa, they were in a Sue bag. They were all in there. Oh, heavenly, 96 pencils. Well, if you missed out on that bundle, because once it was gone, it's gone forever, right? You can now, and I just opened this one and so now they're all moving around. You can now purchase the pencils separately in each collection at regular price plus club price, right? So here we have, this is the Essentials collection. Then we have the Portrait collection, and all the colors will be on the website. Then we have the Botanical collection. Then we have the Landscape collection. So now's your chance. I'm sure you've heard all the buzz about these awesome pencils. Now's your chance to get them because they're so glorious. Okay. Also released on the website is, if you're in the kit club, you already have this. Oh, and by the way, if you have these, do not buy these. No, you're not allowed. I mean, you could if you're giving them to a friend. But if you have these, you have all the colors that are over here. Okay. If you have this set, you have everything. Just a heads up. Now, A1ZZ. If you're in the kit club, you've already gotten this, you've used it 1,000 times, and you're in love with it, right? Some of you aren't in the kit club. And now's your chance to get it. But $27.99 value you would have gotten in the kit club because we love to throw in A1 card die bases. Right? Who does that? Well, apparently us. But now's your chance to get this one if you missed out on that kit club. But check out the kit club because you don't want to miss out on future ones and then have to pay full price for it. It's such a bummer. Okay. Also, years and years and years ago, I don't know how many years ago, I released this stamp set on HSN. And it's sold out. It's really cute. It has a really good saying. A good friend makes days brighter, a heart a little lighter, difficult times a little easier, and life a whole lot happier. Keep in touch. Friends are flowers that never fade, and you are my sunshine. And those flowers are so awesome. Yes, of course, there's dies that match. Dun, 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 dun. Last but not least, we had some extra ribbons left over from some various kit clubs. We put them together. Well, I didn't, but somebody did. We put 5 packs together, and now's your chance to get these. We have a spearmint. We have, it looks like a cherry. We have 2 different chocolates, perfect for fall, and a beautiful yellow and white stripe. So go get those quick, because again, once it's gone forever. I know. Now is also your chance to pick up those items that you haven't gotten throughout the month. Try to get to that $100 free shipping after discounts because, woo, that saves you a ton, right? And then you get to get more stuff if you get the free shipping, right? So exciting. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.